Florence Sherry. I'm a manufacturing engineer here at Spaceforge. So my day-to-day activities include design reviews with the design team. We look at the parts that they've created, and I review them for their ease of manufacture, manufacturing processes, ease of assembly. And then once they've been through that review, I'm responsible for the purchasing of those parts. So I'll go talk to suppliers, request quotations, get those quotes in, choose a supplier and purchase the part. And then once those parts come in, I'm responsible for the quality inspection. So we check the parts, that they're up to standard, and then they get put into the assembly. I'm principally responsible for the primary structure of the satellite, so any components relating to the primary structure are my responsibility. And then I'm also responsible for the assembly flows within the whole of the satellite. So essentially what goes where, when, the order and they're assembled, and basically the instructions. So recently I've been working on the design and manufacture of an assembly jig for use during assembly and during integration. This is particularly interesting because it has to be able to manipulate the satellite in certain orientations to allow calibration of sensitive equipment within the satellite. So yeah, that's quite an interesting project, and yeah, we've just placed that order, and that should be coming in soon. Here at Spaceforge, I think one of my favourite things about Spaceforge is this sort of open communication and team of equals culture. So everyone's contributions are welcome and encouraged, and that coupled with the sort of diversity of the team means that you get people with all different backgrounds and experiences weighing in to solve a problem, and the problem-solving capabilities of the team are fantastic because of this. The team here at Spaceforge are responsible for the creation of cutting-edge technology, and essentially my role is to turn that technology from a design, a virtual design, to a physical component that we can then work with and test and send to space. And that's something I love about my job. I make that a physical thing, and then that I assemble something that goes to space. So that's fantastic.